Well, go on everybody. Yeah man, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to TG Inside Jamaica TV, of course. I'm your host TG. Today we are exploring one of Jamaica's most captivating murals. And we call it the Wall of Legends. Because this mural honors many of Jamaica's icons who have put our music on the global stage. But before we get into this video, let us just say, a warm appreciation going out to everybody who's been a part of the channel from day one. And to everybody who've come on board since. We are now over the 3K mark. And we really have to say, thanks to everybody for that. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, heart of love. And we wish you many blessings continuously. Now, as we say, this Wall of Legends, as we call it, is a mural that depicts people from Bob Marley, the king of reggae, to King Yellow Man, the first king of dancehall. And to us, this is a living tribute of not just these aforementioned names, but many others who have shaped our musical footprint across the globe. Now, as you can see on your left, people, the mural stretches across an entire wall. And this is right in the Catching Hall area, home of Reggae Sumfest, one of Jamaica's greatest musical events, which often showcases many of our prominent and upcoming musical acts. It's a beautifully crafted mural, people. And as you can see, these artists pour their hearts into every magnificent paintbrush. However, whichever way this was funded, can't lie, this stunning masterpiece contributes to our national effort to beautify urban spaces. Yeah man, this definitely uplift the community and celebrate Jamaican heritage in a unique and lasting way. But those one the people that make certain say they take care of the wall. Now the facing, nobody no go there and go put on no graffiti on it. What I really like about this is that it isn't a gimmicky rendition of our musical giants. No sir. The mural, it didn't just show their faces, it is also honoring our culture. Every figure upon this wall is a powerful voice who have contributed to our global appeal as a destination and musical force for all ears, all colors and all races across all borders around the world. But people will ask, and rightfully so, do we think this was money well spent? We say, absolutely, yeah man. Yes, we definitely believe this was money well spent. Because this isn't just art, people. It's an economic investment. And it's cultural preservation. Which is, in terms of tourism and people that come visit, it's like having a gold mine. Because I've already seen people driving by, walking by, or just people stand up and take pictures and videos right here. So you can see the global appeal already, what they go on right there. So, people really admire it. And you can see it being shared across multiple social media platforms, which of course gives Jamaica more global visibility. Not just because of the music, but now through art. And that's real value added to Brand Jamaica. So big up everybody who is part of share the thing, and everybody who is part of talk about the thing same way. Another point we want to touch upon, the impact on the community and the beautification aspect of this mural. Now if you ever drive past this place before, that is before this mural, when the wall was just like another fence in our town, easily overlooked. But today, I tell you people, is a magnet for attention, appreciation, and of course national pride. And we hear enough people that talk about it. Them say them feel inspired, which is nice to hear. And we know enough young artists out the same way, go feel motivated, because they want to be on similar pedestals. Furthermore, whenever you pass here so now, the place just kind of have a more vibrant, more lively feeling to it. And not just that, this is preserving cultural legacy in art because this is a powerful way which offers us opportunities to educate the next generation. Just imagine you and your child, driving past, and the child is looking out, or your kids are looking out, and they might ask some questions about who are these people on this wall. Now you'll have a chance to share with them. You'll be able to tell them what you know, how every face here has their own story, one of struggle, success, and part of the cultural revolution that the music has been in Jamaica. This mural, to me, means that these legends are not just remembered. Yeah, man. To me right now, this mural is just like we are immortalized them the right way. Because this wall now is like an open air museum. A visual textbook of Jamaican musical greatness. Imagine the impact on, many a young child who will walk by and ask the questions, as me say, who is this one and who is that? And then they'll go around and learn more about, the roots of reggae, dancehall, ska, and all of these things. They'll go and learn more about it because it will interest them. Now, how do we think this mural affects Jamaica as a global art and culture hub? Think about many places around the world, many big cities around the world. You have walls with murals on it, and people go there and everybody want to take them pictures and all these things. It's an attraction. And Jamaica already have something where no one else can replicate, which is our culture. Yeah, man. People can try replicate it, but I want original and I just Jamaica. That is it. So to us, this mural gives us a chance to market not just our beaches and music, but also our creative energy and spirit. So, we just say from Kingston, Ochi, Manchester, Mandeville, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, to Montego Bay. Yeah, man, let's turn our walls into works of art where we can and do it in the right way, people. Understand? So if you have a wall in your community where you want to beautify, make certain say, you talk to the relevant authorities and you get the permission to do this thing. Or if you have your own wall and you want to put on some things with spot though, beautify your community, then definitely go ahead and do so because they look better than, they look ramshackle kind of thing. Every mural can be a message, and we respect, we appreciate, and we love the message what upon this mural. And we are saying that, this mural can be an inspiration to not just Jamaicans, but people all around the world. So the next time you pass this mural, yeah, man, stop if you can, but block out the traffic still, look around, take your pictures, because definitely behind each brush stroke right there so is the essential beat, voice and dream of many Jamaicans, who have helped build the Jamaican musical landscape into what it is today. So now there you have it. Here's another interesting content about things around Jamaica, positive things around Jamaica. And as we say over here, we always go promote, the positives. We will always be promoting family-friendly content. And we really appreciate all the people who have been a part of our channel from day one, who have made the community what it is. And we'll stick to what we say. No profanity over here, no nudity, no nudity. This is a place we spot when you watch your videos, you can just watch them and share them with your family. So if you love this actual Jamaican art and culture, definitely don't forget to like, subscribe. Yeah, man, subscribe to the channel because we need more people on the place. We want more people in the community. Yeah, man, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, that's where we are showing appreciation for the content that we bring to you. And people, don't forget, remember to drop your comment below. Yeah, man, share with us who your favorite Jamaican artists are. We really want to hear that. Yeah, man, until next time. Walk good, one love.